Hey guys, Josh from Electric Scooter Insider here, and today we have the varlaeagleone V2. Now I rode the original varlaeagleone maybe 2-3 years ago. This is a completely different scooter, so I'm not even going to call it an upgrade. It's got features that the old model didn't even have. Its design is completely different, but let's have a look at it. So you're going to find both wheels, you're going to have two dual 52 volt 1000 watt motors. Then you've got a 20.8 amp hour battery. Together you're going to get a top speed of 40 miles per hour, a maximum range of 42 miles. Now this scooter has been primarily made to be an all-terrain beast, and especially for environments like this, it's brilliant because, as you can probably see here, it's got these nice big thick juicy 10-inch by I think 3.5-inch off-road hybrid tires, so they're going to be great for providing traction. You've also got dual hydraulic brakes as well. The deck can actually be swapped out, so it comes with 3 different choices of deck grip tapes that you can swap on and off if you want. One thing that I really like about this scooter actually is, see the folding mechanism here? First you have this little twist mechanism, then you have a almost like grenade pin, but there's zero stem wobble on this scooter whatsoever. And look at that, that's how stiff the stem is. It's keeping itself up, and that is brilliant. That's exactly what you want when you're riding on off-road routes, which can be, you know, you're coming up against all sorts of obstacles and you want to make sure that the scooter is solid as a rock. So it ticks the box there. Then if we move our way up, you're going to find a really bright headlight at the front. And then across the cockpit here, you have your display. You've also got an NFC key card here. It comes with 2, so you just need to swipe it on the screen to unlock it. A little control console here and a thumb throttle, and then your brake levers as well. And also here you've got a little clip so that when you fold the scooter, you can lock it to the deck. And it's got a little spring-loaded mechanism there to keep it in place. But let's give it a run. We've got it in, it's got 5 riding modes, and we've got it in dual motor mode. So let's see what it's like. It's a little bit wet, a little bit rainy, a little bit muddy, so we might get some wheel spin, but let's give it a go. Here we go. Okay, yeah, we got a little bit of wheel spin there. Felt good. Nice, we'll take it back now. Also, the suspension on this scooter has been really well calibrated. There's no bottoming out. Feels really good. And that about sums it up for this scooter, guys, but you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel for the full review, coming very soon.